Task 3 Movies by Mónica López. Title of the film Alice in Wonderland. I think the title is appropriate for the movie because it's about a girl who travels to an amazing place where the things are very different. For example, the animals can speak, the flowers can speak, and there is a lot of magic in that place. Whatever title would you give to the movie? I would call it The Alice Return because it is the continuation of the first movie. In this film, Alice is older and she is going to be married, but she falls down for a hole and returns to Wonderland after some years. It's a film of magic. The type of film is fantasy. It was made in the United States in 2006, but it was presented in the cinemas in 2010. I think the locations are beautiful, full of colors and details. At the beginning of the movie, Alice is in a beautiful house in England. Then the movie presents big gardens with different kind of fantastic flowers and animals. There is a tenebrous tunnel, beautiful forest where Alice finds some friends, big castle, a battlefield, between other fantastic images. I'd like to add another locations to the movie because the stage in the film are edited by computer. And I think that maybe they could include some beautiful places that exist in the real life because our planet is full of beautiful places. But maybe it will not be accord with the style of the movie. This film is based in the book and the movie Alice in Wonderland, but it is the story when Alice has grown and she has to choose an important decision about her future. She has to decide if she wants to get married and be a family girl, or if she wants to live another kind of life. In that moment, she follows her curious spirit and falls down for a hole and returns to Wonderland. But she thinks that it's a dream. She doesn't remember that she was visited this place before, and she doesn't remember her friends and the story that occurs there when she was a child. In the other hand, Wonderland is in danger because the queen takes the power and is doing all kind of injustice. And the good people believe in a prophecy that says that a brave gentleman will save them, and they think that person is Alice. And they are waiting for the return, but Alice doesn't believe that. So they have to find a way to make that Alice remember the story and believe in her power. Give us a wide opinion of the film. Locations. Fantastic locations full of magic characters. The actors. Mia Wasikowska as Alice and Johnny Depp. Script. It's based in a book of Lewis Carroll and directed by Tim Burton. Message. The message is to think about your decisions, to feel your heart, to believe in yourself, and to try to be useless for other people, to think in the others and try to help always that you can. Mention the most exciting scene and explain why. The most exciting scene is when she goes back home, and after being in a war in Wonderland, she has to affront her own life, and she has to answer in front of all her family and friends in England if she will get married or not, because it's a moment when she has to think about her future, about what does she want to do, and she has to affront the society in her decision. Mention the funniest scene and explain why. I think the funniest scene is when she is drinking the tea in the forest with the rabbit, the high top, and other characters because they are so strange. They are smart and they stand up and sit down and talk at the same time, and it is so confused. Which character do you identify the most and why? I like the high top because he's a loyally friend and a loyally man. He tries to defend his socks and his friends, and at the same time he's a little crazy. But he is a good man full of goodness. Would you recommend the film? Yes, I recommend the film because it is full of adventures that make people feel in another world. It is perfect to see with children and friends. It is funny and full of magic, but at the same time it has a personal message that makes us think in our decision and about the way as we help the other people. Besides, it is an excellent piece of art because of the special effects and stage. This film won 2 Oscar awards because of its art direction and his rough design. Thank you.